When you think of McDonald's, what comes to mind? Golden arches, Big Macs, and French fries, right? But beneath the surface, McDonald's is more than just a place to get a quick bite. It's a global empire that's built on real estate, strategic management, and clever marketing. With over 39,000 locations worldwide, McDonald's has become one of the most recognized brands on the planet. But to fully understand why we claim that it's not a restaurant, we need to break down its unique business model. You might be surprised to learn that McDonald's is actually one of the largest real estate companies in the world. Yes, you heard that right. In fact, their real estate holdings are estimated to be worth around $30 billion. When Ray Kroc took over McDonald's in the 1950s, he realized that the real money wasn't in the food, but in the land on which the restaurants were built. This approach allowed McDonald's to generate consistent revenue from franchisees, who lease the land and pay rent to the company. By doing this, McDonald's has managed to create a stable income source, insulating itself from fluctuations in the food industry. It's this unique business model that sets it apart from traditional restaurants. Another reason why McDonald's isn't your typical restaurant is its focus on standardization and efficiency. The company has mastered the art of producing food quickly and consistently across all its locations. The fast food giant relies on a limited menu, pre-packaged ingredients, and streamlined cooking processes to ensure that your Big Mac in New York tastes the same as one in Tokyo. This focus on efficiency is a far cry from traditional restaurants, which often pride themselves on unique dishes, flavors, and culinary techniques. Finally, McDonald's powerful branding and marketing strategies have played a significant role in shaping its image as more than just a restaurant. From the iconic golden arches to the memorable slogans, McDonald's has created an identity that goes beyond food. McDonald's has also become a symbol of globalization and cultural adaptation, often tweaking its menu to cater to local tastes, making it more of a cultural phenomenon than a simple restaurant. So, is McDonald's a restaurant? Well, it's definitely a place where you can grab a meal. But as we've discovered today, it's so much more than that. It's a real estate empire, a master of efficiency, and a global cultural icon. And that, dear viewers, is why we can't simply label McDonald's as just a restaurant. It transcends the traditional definition, and its impact on the world is undeniable. So, the next time you're munching on those crispy fries or sipping on a McFlurry, take a moment to appreciate the complex and fascinating world that is McDonald's.